Follow the steps on how to insert an object into a shape like this in Illustrator. For example, here I will insert this ball into a logo shape. First, select the object and press Ctrl X to cut. Then select the shape and activate Draw Inside mode. Go to Edit and select Paste in Place. Double-click the object to edit. Press Escape to close. Finish and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.